Okay, so we brought a 2013 Volvo. We're getting ready to go on our first long road trip, and we figured out that the 12-volt sockets don't work. So I opened up the owner's manual that was in the glove box along with all the maintenance records, which is nice of the people leaving there. And we turned to page 245 or 345. It tells you where the different fuse boxes are. There's 4, and it tells you, what is on each one of these. Now, looking around, I figure out that we are looking for the 12-volt fuse box. So number A, underneath the passenger side glove box, and we are looking for the 12-volt socket, which this one is for the cargo area. So we're wanting the number 22, which is to both the one in the center console and the one for the back seat. Both of them use the same fuse, so since they're both not working and the other one that's in the center console is working, the one that's a USB, I'm assuming we got a fuse issue. So now we're going to go try and fix that. So right up underneath there, and I don't have a light on here. Thought my camera would have that, but I guess not. There's a 2 clips on each side, and it pops out real easy. And there's your fuse box. So went to O'Reilly's, pulled it out. The nice guy let me borrow a pair of pliers. This is what came out. You see my banking information there, and you'll see it is broke there. So I think we've got our problem fixed.